how to cancel tickets on Bookmyshow. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can cancel your tickets on Bookmyshow. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Bookmyshow app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, go to your profile and you will see your ticket in the recent bookings section. Over here, you can also go to your orders to find your ticket. Then click on the booking you want to cancel. Over here, if your ticket is eligible for cancellation, you will see a cancel booking option. Now click on cancel booking. You'll see the cancellation and refund terms, including the total refund amount, cancellation fee, and any other applicable charges. After that, choose whether you want the refund in BIM's cash, which you can use for future bookings, or back to your original payment method. Then click on Get Refund and your ticket will be cancelled. You'll see the cancellation confirmation and refund details on your screen. So that's how you can cancel tickets on Bookmyshow. That's all for this video.